Look at this. No mouse, no touchpad. I am controlling my computer just by waving my hand in the air. Welcome to Naga Automates. Today we are building an AI mouse using computer vision. We will use MediaPipe to track our fingers. Let's start. First, install required libraries. Import CV2 for webcam input. Import MediaPipe for hand tracking. Import PyAutoGUI for mouse control. Import math for distance calculations. This loads the hands module. It detects only one hand. This utility for drawing hand landmarks. It is for get screen width and height. Start webcam. This track drag state. This track right click state. Start loop. It reads a frame from webcam. It converts the frame into RGB. It detects hands. Get fingertip coordinates. It is for index fingertip. It is for thumb tip. It's for middle fingertip. This is for moving cursor. It calculates distance between index finger and thumb. It calculates distance between middle finger and thumb for right click. Mouse drag start. Mouse drag release. It's for perform right click. It is used for reset flag. Save it. Run the script. Camera starts. Watch this carefully. I am not touching the mouse or keypad at all. This cursor is moving only with my hand gesture. Index finger moves the cursor. Pinch to drag. And another gesture for right click. You can extend this further by mapping face movements, like moving the cursor using head or eye direction. You can combine face tracking and hand gesture together. Subscribe for more automations. This is the power of AI. You can use this to control slides during a presentation. Subscribe for more automations.